Hello and welcome back to Tony's DIECAST Restores. Today I'm doing the Matchbox 66E Ford Transit Dropside. It was first released in 1977 and remained until 1982. It originally came with a crate in the back. I'm going to be doing a pure restoration on this one. No customization at all. Well, maybe just a little bit. I'm keeping the original wheels and the tow hook on this one. The paintwork's not particularly bad, but where it's missing, it's heavily corroded by something. It's the same with the base. It's got a lot of white salty residue on it. So it'll be interesting to see what that's like when I take it apart. The plastic window glass isn't too bad. It just seems dirty with a few tiny little scratches in it. Hopefully that'll clean up alright. Let's get a close up. Heavily corroded where the paint's missing. Nice flat bit. As you can see, the base is really heavily corroded with this white residue. We'll have to see how that cleans up. Right, let's get that rivet done. Just going straight in with a 6mm drill. That comes off nice and easy. Just a single rivet on this one. This interesting interior, cream. I think I might change the colour of that. And you can see it's heavily corroded in there as well. Glass is just held in by the interior, so that comes straight out. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's get these wheels off. I'm keeping the original wheels and axles, so I'm being careful not to damage them too much. Again, there's a lot of salty residue in there. The axles are crimped onto the base, so I'm having to dremel the bits off. Forgive the knuckle picture. There we go. Just scrape it on that line. Trying to take as little as possible off so I can put the axles straight back in. It's just not coming with this pick though. Oh. Managed to get that one out okay. This one's a bit tougher. Get something a bit meatier to get it out, I think. First thing that came to hand. That worked pretty well. And there we go, that's the wheels off the base. Now I'm going to drill and tap the post. 1.5mm drill, followed by an M2 tap. Papers there just to stop us drilling too deeply. Okay, it's been in the caustic soda. Most of the paint's come off. Let's give it a polish, see how it comes up. Just change the drum a bit there to get inside. Okay, that's pretty much all I can do. Still a little bit of paint left on. I'll have to take that off with a bit of paint stripper in there. And a little touch there. Okay, that's just the primer. I've been experimenting with some different primer. I'm not using the Tamiya Fine. I've used Halford's White primer. There you go. Worked pretty well, I think. It's very matte. Okay, yeah, polish the base slightly. It's come up pretty well, but it's where the corrosion was, it's all pitted, like it's corroded away. I don't know what paint's going to look like on that. Okay, that's the base paint with my usual black. It's not too bad. And now this is the orange going on. Obviously a first tack coat followed by a couple of final coats. And on top of that, obviously I'll spray a clear coat, I think. It always depends on how the final coat comes out. I think I put that first coat on a bit thick. It was 30 plus degrees in the garage at this point, so the paint was virtually drying straight away. And here I am painting the wheels. Just used my usual black tyre wash for this. Shines them up a little bit. Okay, that's that done. And now I'll polish this window. I'm using the usual chrome polish. No cracks on this one, which is good. Just a few digs and scratches. Once that's done, I'll still give it a wash and then put it in the pledge, I think. Okay, just to reassure people, there actually is no specimen in the cup. It's only paint. Let me put the silver on the outside of the wheels. Bit of Molotov silver chrome there, and then just dip the wheels into it. Does a pretty good job. So the wheel's done and dry. Time to put them back onto the base, I think. The crimps were still pretty tight, so I could push them in with a screwdriver. That's the back one done. This is the front one. Forgive the arm. That's those in. I think I put a bit of glue in there just to hold them in though. A little close up there. Yeah. Oh, nice. That's quite good. Getting close to the reassembly now. Just painting a few details on. The headlights and the Ford badge. Managed to keep your fat hand out of the way for this bit. It's not bad. Obviously it's nothing like an original Ford. The square bits around the headlights should be chrome as well. But I couldn't be doing that. Okay, this is me doing the Ford badge. I'm just using a cocktail stick just to put the paint onto the lettering. Just touching the surface really. It's at this point where you really don't want to screw it up. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, I'm just going to glue these axles in. Bit of super glue and baking powder. I really should use something different to put the baking powder on. I think the lolly stick was a bit too big. Okay, I'm going for final reassembly. That's the glass. Been drying over there since it was on the pledge. Just pop straight into that. Interior painted black. I've never seen a transit van with a cream interior. I don't know where they get that one from. Finally, that's the base back on. Not a lot to this car really, is there? There you go, done. So, as you remember, the paint wasn't too bad. Where it was missing, it was corroded. All the chrome bit was corroded white as well. The axles were slightly bent, and the glass was dirty and scratched. Let's see what it comes out like. So here we have it, the Mark 1 Ford Transit Dropside. Fresh paint, clean wheels, clean glass, and a nicely painted front end. I've painted the base black, and I've left the grille black but just highlighted the silver bits. I think it looks pretty good. What do you people think? I noticed there's a few really bad cast lines, especially around the doors. I would normally take those off, but it's a commercial vehicle, so I've left them on instead. As always, let us know what you think in the comments below. Press the notifications bell if you want to see the next one, whenever that may be. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like it if you like it. Dislike it if you don't like it. But tell us why. Okay? So, what's coming up next? I've got this Plymouth Grand Fury I want to do. I haven't done a cop car yet, so that'd be interesting. I've also got this sad looking Mark II Ford Cortina. I'm halfway through this one. I've just been waiting for the glass, so we'll see what comes first. I've also got this bunch of junk cars to do. Most of them are American. Most of them are missing something or other. Wheels, doors, glass. But it's an interesting bunch, so I might choose one of those. I don't know yet. Finally, somebody emailed us from the address because they wanted to send us something, so there it is. You're free to send us anything of interest. If I find it interesting, I'll tag it onto a video at some point. Anyway, that's that. Until the next time, goodbye.